गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. On this precious occasion of Teachers' Day, first I would like to pay my heartfelt tribute to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, whose birth anniversary is celebrated as Teachers' Day. My heartiest tribute to Dr. RCP, who was my mentor, my teacher, my guide during my PG days in the Department of English, Darbhanga House, Patna University. Now I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Professor Tripti Narayan Sharma, who was a father-like figure to me during my college days. My heartiest gratitude to Professor Om Prakash Arya, who taught me proficiency in English and made me worthy of being a teacher. My heartiest gratitude to my parents who brought me to this world, nurtured values in me, and made me stronger to fight out the problems of life. My heartiest gratitude to Dr. Meera Kumari, Principal, BD Public School, who has been my best friend and guide to show me the right paths of life. My best wishes for all the teachers, mentors, educators, guides, tutors engaged in the teaching job. Wishing you all a very, very happy Teachers' Day. Now, I would like to say that Teachers' Day is a special day for the appreciation of teachers and to honor them to their special contributions in a particular area of education. The idea of celebrating Teachers' Day took root in many countries during the 19th century. In most cases, they celebrate a local educator or an important milestone in education. This is the primary reason why countries celebrate this day on different dates, unlike many other international days. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan as a mark of tribute to the contribution made by him in the field of education. Dr. Radhakrishnan was a staunch believer of education and a well-known diplomat. He was a renowned scholar, a recipient of Bharat Ratna. He was the first vice president and the second president of independent India. He was born on 5th September 1888. He was an educationist, an advocate of edification, a distinguished envoy, academician, and above all, a great teacher. As it's a common adage that the future of a country lies in the hands of its children, and teachers as mentors play a great role in molding the students into future leaders who shape the destiny of the country. Teachers play an important role in making us successful in career and business. They help us to become a good human being, a better member of the society, and an ideal citizen of the country. Teachers' Day is celebrated to acknowledge the challenges, hardships, and the special role teachers play in our lives. On 5th September, the National Teachers Awards are given to the meritorious teachers by the President of India in our country. The awards are conferred as a public gratitude to the teachers working in schools. Teachers are the torch bearers, and their determination and Sincerity shapes the destiny of a nation as they are laying foundation and the building blocks of the society. A very, very happy Teachers' Day to all of you, all the teachers, mentors, educations, and to me as well. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, and God bless you.